forthcoming exam, practical exam, which will be of 25 marks. We'll use Excel, and here we'll create a mark sheets, okay, of for 3 students, and we'll give 4 subjects. First, I would like to start with heading, but heading I don't want to write in single cell like this. Rather, I want to merge the cell to make a bigger one. To merge cells, I need to select the cell like this. You can select using mouse, or you can use keyboard as well. If you want to use your keyboard, then select one single cell, press on shift button, then click on right arrow button, then click on left arrow button, then leave shift key. Now what I need to do is I need to right click on it. If you right click, you will get format cells. So I have clicked on that. In alignment, I'll make horizontal and vertically both center. Then I'll click on border. I'll click on outline. Then OK. See, I have missed this wrap text and merge cell. That's why it did not come. Okay, so once you click on OK, I got this one. Okay, now what I have to do is I'll have to double click on it to write. Now as you can see, the text size is 12. Let's make it 16 or 18. If I double click, now I'll write down school name, Bangladesh MHM School, MT class 7. Let's say section A I have given. Now I want from MT to be in the next line. So before MT, I just have bring the cursor. Now if I press space bar, when it will cross the border, it will automatically come to the next line. Now I'll write down heading here. Heading is done. I'll write down the field names. So first I am writing student number. Then let's write name of the student, name, subject name, DT, math, science, English. Okay, and I'm not writing all the subjects name. 4 is good enough. Then here I have given the total. Now to find out total marks, as you are in grade 7, we will not use formula, we'll use functions for it. Let's write down the student number first. Randomly I'm writing student number. Okay, I have written 3 student number. Then I'll write down the name of the students. First name I have written, second name, okay, and this is third name. If the name you are writing is bigger, which is not accommodated here, then you need to drag like this, and the size of the cell will increase. As DT is of 50 marks in total, let's write down the number which is okay. So I have written the number for a particular student. For 3 students, I have written their DT number. Then let's write, okay, this. In English, then I'll write Marks for English. Then I'll find out total. To find out total, for any formula or function, you will have to start with equal to sign. So I have given equal to. There is a function called SUM to find out total. I have written SUM. Then I'll give the open bracket, and then I'll select the number of the first rows. These 4 numbers I have selected. I'll close the bracket and then press enter. See, I got total of the students. See, the thing is, let's say this student, instead of 89, he got 90. If I make it 90, automatically this one, the total will change. You can see that. Now I'll select here this one. I'll bring the mouse pointer at the right bottom corner. You'll get a black plus sign here. Now if you drag by holding your left mouse button, if you drag, all of them we got. Now to format it a bit better, let's say first I want to increase the size of the text. So I have given 14. I want to put a table border, so I'll click here, select all borders. I want all the data to be in the center of the cell. This is alignment. I need to click on this. My job is done. Just click outside once. The job is done.